In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mass find and delete duplicate files from OneDrive. If your OneDrive is starting to feel cluttered, duplicate files can take up space and make it harder to stay organized. A simple way to track them down is by using OneDrive's sorting tools together with a keyword search. I'll walk you through the process in a clear, practical way so you can clean things up quickly. To begin, open OneDrive and go to the My Files section. This is where you'll be able to see the files stored in your account and work through them more efficiently. Starting from My Files gives you a broad view, which is helpful when you're trying to locate repeated items across your storage. Once you're there, click on Sort. This is an important step because sorting makes it easier to scan through files and spot patterns. Depending on the kinds of duplicates you're dealing with, you can choose to sort by type, name, modified date, or file size. For example, sorting by name can help you notice files with similar titles, while sorting by size can help identify copies that are likely identical. If you're unsure which option to use, start with name or file size, since those are often the easiest ways to recognize duplicates at a glance. Next, move to the search bar at the top and type the word copy. This works especially well because many duplicate files are automatically renamed with the word copy in the file name. After typing it in, press enter to run the search. Now, OneDrive will display files that match that search term, making it much easier to narrow down likely duplicates. Take a moment to review the results carefully. Even though the search is useful, you still want to make sure you're selecting the correct files before removing anything. To choose a file, hover over it and check the circle that appears. This allows you to select the duplicates you want to remove. If you're cleaning up a large batch, move through the list methodically so you don't accidentally select the wrong version of an important file. After selecting the duplicate files, click Delete. That will remove them from your OneDrive and help free up space while reducing visual clutter in your file library. As a quick tip, it's always a good idea to double-check file names and dates before deleting, especially if you keep multiple versions of similar documents on purpose. With that done, you've successfully used OneDrive's built-in tools to find and delete duplicate files more efficiently.